Before we get into today's video, I want to let you know it is sponsored by Omaze. My Omaze link is right here, omaze.com/MotoBroo. So let's get into this video. It is epic. In Florida, Ultimo drivers are crazy, so. Oh my, bro! Hello. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. We got the boy Zackgoes here.
Great to see you, man. Great to see you.
It's been a long time. We got my little 50 inside his Ultima. But yeah, we're at the lot. We got hopefully Brad Vlogs coming out here too. It's a whole YouTuber fest going on. We got some pit bike work. We got Brad. Let's go, and Zackgoes out here.
I ride so hard, bro. You know what I mean? Like,
Cat.
This is a plug in. You're missing the gas cap thing.
It's a hoagie, bro.
bro, this, you know how long I haven't drove? I bought it and I don't drive this shit.
They been a hoagie.
Who does?
It's your boy Angel, aka Brad. You know what I mean? We outside.
Let's go.
We got my boy bro. We got my boy Zackgoes. And what are you doing today, bro?
Riding. I just clapped out brand new bike.
Yeah.
He's scraping or he's stretching?
Have you scraped it yet or no?
Not that one.
No?
Not that one.
Get that shit going! Wait, watch out, watch out! Oh! Bro! This close! Yes, sir!
This 110 was a little scary, dude. To go that far back?
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, you hit that. You did that. You did that thing.
Hey, good shit, bro. That was dope.
Scraping it. Go ahead, scraping it.
We got Brap on the low.
Dang, I got Zackgoes sweat all on it.
Oh my god! Bro!
Get that second gear shit. Bump.
That was nuts. In Florida, Ultimo drivers are crazy, so. Oh my, bro! Bro! Yeah! Yeah! Bro, I did not expect him to reverse donut.
Yeah, I thought you did plenty of drive.
Bro! That's what we talking about. Shout out Zackgoes out here all the way from Philly, bro. You know, Philly boys out here. Bro, my foot went off the brake. Yes, sir. Yee! See, got it. Let's go. That's what we're talking about, bro. The 50. There's something about the 50 that's just swaggy. Woo! Y'all know the vibe, bro. We out here. And there's a cop. There's a cop.
Good. Hard.
Run! Run! There's a cop. Go! Tuck under. We gotta tuck.
I don't think you saw it.
I don't think so.
Just saw him, we're like, oh, let's look around real quick.
Let's see. We can look through the crack.
Yeah, they can't see you either.
To be honest, I think he's just parked like on his brake or.
I was getting to something when I'm with Lars. I swear to God.
We're out here scoping the police. Where they at? Get the binoculars.
Yo, man, so when we're waiting for this cop to leave, they should check out the old videos, dude. We've been ripping for over 5 years together.
Bro. So today's video is sponsored by Omaze, and as you can see, you could score this ultimate F-150 Raptor. I mean, this thing is beautiful. It goes 0 to 60 in 5.1 seconds. It has 450 horsepower. The color is beautiful. Look how this F-150 is just ripping up the trails. It is so sick. And Omaze is working with Folds of Honor Foundation, which is a charity that helps out the veterans. So for your chance to win this F-150 and support this great cause, you can enter at the omaze.com/MotoBroo URL. It will be on the screen right here. That is omaze.com/MotoBroo. And you will be entered for a chance to win this beautiful F-150 Raptor. And yeah, you never know, you might be getting this thing and you're also helping out the veterans, so it's a win-win. Let's go.
Way down there.
How does it feel though? How do you...
It feels a little sketch, dude. You could have told me there was no front brake.
Oh yeah, there's no front brake.
Right.
A lot easier to ride.
I didn't even notice.
Yo, you seen that cop right there, bro?
I don't think he even noticed.
No, he noticed that, bro. Hello.
How you doing?
Hey, just letting you guys know, they're probably gonna put cameras out here soon.
Okay.
Honestly, we don't.
All right, hey, have a good day. Stay safe.
112 now.
Bro, that was a cool cop. I respect it. Zackgoes gets arrested in Orlando. Yes, sir. Zackgoes on my freaking 450, bro. Woo! Hey! How's that big 450 feel to you?
Dude, she feels good.
Feels good, right?
Feel right at home.
Telling you, bro, you need to get a little 450 in your life.
We'll see.
You'll be swagging that.
Now I got my belt tightened up. We're gonna get a little serious.
Yo, hold on. He got the freaking cowboy Ariat belt on, bro. He really country out here, boy. Look at me and the boy out here. Woo, big 450 and big. Ah! Ah! I'm losing myself. Yes, sir. Yo, shout out to Little 50.
Hey.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. That 450 coming up soon in the Zackgoes video.
Might see a Harley before a 450. That's all.
Bro, why? Why?
You made yours. It looks great.
This is cheaper than a Harley.
No, it's not.
Harleys, aren't they like 12K?
4 grand.
Oh, you're getting a clapped Harley.
40.
You're getting a clapped Harley.
I'm getting a precious 40.
You're getting a clapped Harley, bro. Holy shit.
Is this?
Whoa, whoa. You're calling my 450 clap, bro?
Yo, dog, I straight up thought it was a Wawa hoagie when I pulled up.
This mother. What's good, bro? How you doing?
Finally met you.
What?
I finally met you.
Yeah, bro. Zach's over here too. Pop out. Come over here. Yo, we got Zackgoes coming in with some pizza.
Krusty Krab pizza.
Let's go.
Subscribe, dude. I told you these Cowies weren't good. Mine blew up from no oil. This one's spewing that shit right out.
Bro, it literally.
How many hours are on this thing?
A lot.
A lot? It's a 2022, right?
Yeah.
Bro, he said all this oil was from when you were riding it, bro.
Well, I hopped on right after you, so you take some.
Okay, I got half of it's mine. Half of it's mine.
Nah, cause I can't. When
Look
you
at that,
came
dude.
back, when you came back, I was looking at it and it was not this much when he came off of it.
Oh, so it's me?
It's all Zach's fault, bro.
It's when you coasted.
Oh, when I was like trying to scrape it.
Oh no, it's fine.
Oh.
When they came, they said, just don't do burnout. Unless it's a different cop, then we might be. But just say we're.
Yeah, cause I had seen one parked on it. He's parked up in the inside.
Oh yeah, he's chilling. I'm pretty sure it's the same one. Oh, you just slammed on the brakes. You're wearing freaking flip flops. Oh, you wildin'. Bro, it's so funny seeing people ride the 50. Ah!
Sorry, dog. Guys, them YouTube thumbnail faces up.
I'm trying to get all the angle. Alrighty, gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Shout out Brett Vlogs and Zackgoes. They're out here killing it. Remember to stay motivated. Smash that like button. I love you, gang. Until next time, peace. Thank you, Omaze, for sponsoring this video, and my URL link is omaze.com/MotoBroo. So all you gotta do is donate $10 and you'll have a chance to win the F-150 Raptor. I love you, gang.